Hello library families! Miss Laura here from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thanks for joining me for today's STEAM activity. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Have you ever thought about the science of baking? The process of cooking or baking is a series of chemical reactions that turn separate ingredients into a cohesive dish. Today, I'm going to make some holiday ornaments by combining cinnamon and applesauce, and then baking them until they go through a chemical change from a dough into a solid ornament. First, measure out half a cup of applesauce and mix in 3/4 cups of cinnamon. Stir until a ball forms, then chill it for an hour so that it is easier to handle. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Roll out or squish down your dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick, then use cookie cutters to cut out some festive shapes. Don't forget to make a hole with a pencil or straw that you can add string to once it's dried. Gather up any scraps of dough and re-roll, then bake your ornaments for 2 hours or until completely firm. Once they are cool, thread string or ribbon through the holes and hang them on trees around the house or add to gift packaging and enjoy the scent. We would love for you to share a picture of your cinnamon ornaments with us at the library. You can tag us on social media at Innisfil Idea Lab, or you can email me at ljefffery@innisfilidealab.ca. Hope to see you all soon. Take care.